And now, following that intro Rukito gave us, we're going to tell you a bit about how things are going. Chapter 6 begins, and we want to show you all the progress on this Land Rover because, as you can see, it's come a long way. But first, let me tell you a bit. How's the night going? We got here to the shop, and the guy says, let's have a barbecue like always, so we're having a barbecue. And the argument started because last weekend we were doing a bit of off-roading, and the guy got competitive. He wants a car for off-roading. The thing is, we don't have a budget, so we're looking for a car for 2,000, 2,500 euros. Are we good at that point? With the money.
Yeah, 2 grand is better.
I can smell the poverty from here.
Hey, Lau. So you have to tell me, what do you prefer? A Discovery, a Samurai, or a Patrol? There are a lot of Patrol fans here, but I say it's out of our budget. So we're putting out a poll, and you tell us what you think. So as we said, we want to show you how we went from what we had to this. Even if it doesn't look like it, it's already made a lot of progress. At least it looks like a Defender, right? So the guy is going to take some shots now, and we'll show you some time lapses of how we put it together. Then the fun part starts. We put the hoist in, we put the engine in. And then, with some help from Valen, we start putting in all the steering rods. Once we're done with that, we mount radiators, hoses, all the intercooler hoses and all that, so that afterwards we can put on the fender, which is just a few bolts and it's in. Not just a few, actually it's quite a lot of bolts, and the Land Rover's a puzzle. But, well, that's part of the fun, right? We mount the whole front, everything goes in, so that afterwards we can continue with Juancito mounting the gearbox. It looks like there's a lot of us, but the truth is most are watching and not doing much work. Incredibly, it won't stop raining in North Tenerife. Lately, every time we come to record, we have to stop 200 times because of the noise. But, well, there's no other way. Bear with the noise, and I'll tell you that. Besides all the mechanics, today we were in the shop with Gustavito, and we're going to show a bit of the process of preparation because we already have the box that we finished lacquering today. So next week, I think on Tuesday, we're mounting it, and the doors are already painted. We'd still need the hood and a couple more minor bodywork things. But, well, we're going full speed with that, so we want to show you, taking advantage of this video as we move on to the painting part. I want to send a message and a big shout out to my friend Polo, a personal friend, a great body shop guy. He's the one who restored the first car I ever had. So a big hug, Polo. Hope all is well, and we're moving on to the painting part, and we'll show you with Gustavito how it's all going. And now, since Jotun put up the cash, we're taking the chance to apply the Mega Gloss, which, as I told you, is a 4-to-1 polyurethane. 4 a component A, 1 a B, and 5% solvent. Augusti adds it so the paint flows better. Once in the booth, Augusti starts applying a tack coat, which is a very thin layer so it doesn't sag at the beginning. And then a final coat, which is the thick one, so that it covers the whole box well. So taking advantage of the fact that today is Cooley's birthday, since it's past midnight, we came up here to show you this. Well, will it start or not? I wonder, honestly. Are we really going to see it happen right now? Let's go, baby! Don't forget to leave a comment for Kalea. Happy birthday! So if you've been liking how the project is going and want to see the progress of the Santana, trophy, subscribe, hit the like button. And you have to say something, man.
Look at this piece of junk, Ruko. Cut it out.
He was just really looking the other way. So if you...
Nestor.
Now.
Nestor.
Now.
Should I say the thing about Nusa?
Now. So if you've been liking the project, you know what to do. Hit like, subscribe.
To the trash bag.
The bell icon. See you. Bye.
Bye.
2, 1, let's go. Get the shot, hold up the sign. Up, up, up. You have to bring it over. I took a little photo here with Ruko, and this is terrible. What kind of mechanics are these? Come on, let's go. Nestor is completely useless. Nestor was the engine guy. Nestor's no good. The ship is starting.
Missing a table.